Guys, welcome to the channel. My name is Tan. If you're new, in today's video we have a unit sent over from LuvMe Hair. They sent over this like boho braided bob. This is how she's looking straight out of the box, and okay, so I originally thought that like the whole wig was gonna be, well, not the whole wig, but there would be like more braids within the wig. If you can see up close, you can pretty much tell that the majority of the wig is just like deep wave type of bundles hair. I don't know. And then up top is where we got the braids. I don't know how I feel about that. With the lace base on this unit, it is a 5x5, meaning you are going to get 5 inches going across the front and then 5 inches going straight back for the parting space. Also, you get about 16 braids on top of the lace space. So, I mean, there is no like parting or anything. I mean, obviously the braids are parted, but you don't get to like part it yourself. You know what I mean, girl. But speaking of the parting was done really nice on this. The braids look really nice and neat as well. And also with each braid, you do have those nice little boho pieces added in. You know, that way it blends really nicely with the bundles in the back. When it comes to the inside of the cap, there are 3 combs in total. 1 in the back, 2 in the front with 1 on each side. Please note that these 2 are removable. You also have adjustable straps here in the back as well. And if you choose to add in a security band, there is one provided for you, but I don't think I'm going to be using mine today. Also, I didn't mention this, but I mean, I think it's very obvious that this unit does come with a pre-cut lace, pre-plucked hairline, and pre-bleached knots. Y'all, I'm not going to lie, I do not know how I feel about this. Like, I just don't, but I guess we should go ahead and install it so I can tell you how I feel about it.
Thinking out loud, I must have $250,000 on me right now. Hard to make a song about something other than the money. Things I'm about to talking blunt, staying blunt. Pretty women, are you here? Are you here right now, huh? We should all disappear right now. Look, you're getting all your friends and you're getting in the car and you're coming to the house. Are we clear right now, huh?
Let's go ahead and talk about my pros and cons for this unit from LuvMe Hair. We're going to start off with my cons first. Number 1, I don't necessarily feel like this unit is big head friendly. Now, is this unit sitting on my head comfortably at the moment? I would say yes, kinda, sorta. Keep in mind, I do have the adjustable straps on the furthest hooks out. Now, I feel like had I even just gone in 1 extra hook, then she would probably be squeezing a little bit. So that's why I say that I don't feel like this unit is full on big head friendly. My next con about this unit is a very, very, very personal one, and that is that the styling of it came as a middle part. Now, I'm sure there's somebody out there who loves the fact that it came in a middle part, but I don't know. I just feel like because of the styling of it, with it primarily being like a deep wave curly unit and then having the 16 braids at the top, I don't know, I just feel like this should have came as a like maybe a side part. But then again, at the same time, I'm like, how would you have those braids braided up in a sideways? I don't know. I was able to like flip some of the braids over, and now I think the unit is cute. And I can truthfully say that I think the unit is cute now, again, with a few braids like swooped to the side. Because when I first put this unit on, the first thing my mom was like, this ain't the one. No ma'am. No, thank you. No. Now, I will say I do feel like not only like throwing a couple of braids to the side will help this unit, but also, you can disagree with me, but I feel this way, okay? I feel like this is one of those units to where you need makeup and the proper outfit. I feel like there are some units, for the most part, most of LuvMe Hair's units are good to wear like no matter what. Like you might not even need any makeup or the proper outfit or anything like that, you know, just a throw on and go type of unit. With this one, no, I feel like you got to do a little 1-2 and make sure, you know, you put together as well. Again, these are just my personal thoughts and recommendations for y'all. And of course, if you're not new here, then you know I like to keep it a buck with y'all. But enough of that, let's go ahead and move on to my pros for this unit. My first pro about this unit is how thick and full she is. Personally, I do not like no thin, see-through type of curly unit. Like, no. Whenever I have a curly unit, I need her to be thick and full, especially when she's short too. Like, come on now. Another pro about this unit is how convenient she is. All I did was go in and cut off the lace on this unit and added a little bit of foundation to the front of it. Then of course I went in with some mousse, which the mousse really wasn't necessary, but I don't know, I just felt like it's a curly unit. You gotta add a little bit of mousse somewhere in it. Now, I again went ahead and threw some of the braids to the side, so that did take a little bit of extra time. But if you are okay and you like with the middle part, do those two things, cutting the lace off, add a little bit of foundation to the lace, and then boom, you are good to go. My last pro about this unit is going to be the lace. Please know that I'm going to mention LuvMe Hair's lace as a pro in almost every single video that I do for them because it's just that good. Again, the fact that all I did was add a little bit of foundation to the front of it and it's blending in this well, and to top it off, I did not melt this lace at all. Like, it is completely glueless right now, like completely, child. But yeah, that's pretty much all I have to say about this unit. If you guys have any questions about her, feel free to leave them down in the comment section below and I will answer them as quickly as I can. And if you plan on picking up this unit, feel free to use my discount code TANDOTSON. That'll save you 32% off of their entire website. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Also, make sure you subscribe to the channel before you leave, and also make sure you click the bell, that way you're notified anytime that I upload a video. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok. They're both at TANDOTSON. I'll be sure to have all of the information for this unit down in the description box below, so make sure you check that out. I don't have anything else to say though, except for I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.